Do you know that if you add 1.5 cups of water into a pot, and to that you add about 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of margarine or butter, then go in with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a bit of flavoring. You can use any flavor of your choice. Then you go in with 1 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or you can use a cake flour, but all-purpose flour works best. So after adding the flour, you go ahead and cook this on a very low heat gradually till everything comes together and everything cooks properly, just as you see in the video. So once everything is cooked just like this, then you're going to take it down from the heat. So once you take it down from the heat, you're going to transfer into another bowl or a clean bowl. Now to that you'll be adding 1 whole egg, 1 large whole egg. Okay, now once you add the egg, you combine thoroughly to this texture. Then you can add 1 tablespoon of water. You can also use 1 tablespoon of liquid milk if you want, or you can add extra egg, just be 1 small or medium sized egg. And once you are done, you transfer this into your piping bag with the star tip nozzle. Okay, with the star tip nozzle, you transfer this into the piping bag. So once you are done transferring this into the piping bag, make sure that your oil is preheating already on low to medium heat. Now before frying, make sure that the oil is heating at medium temperature or medium heat. Now what you're going to do is you gradually push out this dough and then cut it with your hand scissors. So the dough should be on your right hand and then the scissors on your left. So you push and cut, you push and cut, and try and be a little bit fast while you are cutting it, and make sure that you don't overstock your oil. So once you are done cutting it, you have to stir this consistently or continuously till they turn deep golden brown, not too brown, but between light to deep golden brown, because you want it to cook well inside. Okay, so this second one I said to make it longer than the first one, just the way we made the first one. You push it out, then you use the scissors to cut into the oil, and then you fry this on medium heat, medium to high heat, until they are properly fried. Make sure you don't fry this on a low heat because it's going to soak up the oil and it's not going to be crunchy on the outside, rather it's going to be soft both from outside and inside. And if you fry on a very high heat, it's going to brown quickly on the outside and the inside is not going to cook well. So you fry between medium to high heat and not high heat or low heat. So you can see how crunchy it sounds once they're out of the oil. So in case you don't have piping bag and nozzle, you can make do with a sachet water bag. Just this way, just open a little bit, make a little opening at the end, at one end, and then put in your dough and then you gradually push it out. The only difference is that this one is not going to have that design when you make use of your nozzle. Okay, now at this time everything is set. Okay, now you can choose to enjoy it just like this. Trust me, it tastes good just like this. Okay, but if you feel like you want to add more, make it more sweet, or you have to sweeten it more, you can then make your cinnamon sugar. What you see here is some sugar and some cinnamon powder mixed together. So if you want, you can lightly sprinkle it on the churros and then enjoy, or you can just coat it in the sugar just like this. Okay, or you can just put some of them in the cinnamon sugar and coat. If you don't want to also use the cinnamon sugar, you can enjoy this with any sauce, maybe ketchup, or also you can enjoy it with your chocolate sauce, okay, or caramel sauce, whichever one you want to enjoy it with. And trust me, this tastes absolutely delicious. Like, it tastes so good. It tasted so good. So I hope you'll be trying these churros. Yes, these amazing churros. And when you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section how they turned out for you, because I know you're going to love them absolutely. So you can package your churros and store them up. But note, when your churros stay packaged for a longer time, they are going to get softer and not crunchier on the outside anymore.